back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Sky. So for this video, I've been doing this a lot lately, and I posted a picture on my Instagram story, I think it was, of this new look that I'm kind of doing where I'm doing a brown winged liner. For some reason, I've never liked the way that like a winged liner looked on me, especially black. I feel like it was just too harsh, and for some reason with my eye shape it just didn't work. I don't know, something about it I just didn't like. But then a YouTuber that I follow on Instagram posted like this little tip that she's been doing her winged liner like this, and I love the way it looked. It was like really natural but still like a little something, you know, it adds a little something something. So I want to try it for myself. I've been doing it for like the past month and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And so when I posted that picture, I had a couple people asking if I could do a tutorial on how I do my winged liner. So here we are. Yeah, but I don't want to chat on too long, so without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial.
Hi guys. Alright, so we're going to start off this look by prepping our skin. So I'm going to start off with this e.l.f. Antioxidant Booster Drops. This has vitamin C and vitamin E oil, so it's really good for your skin and super hydrating. I absolutely love it. And then next I'm going to go in with my Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I love this stuff. I've tried like Smashbox and stuff, and I always come back to this because I love the consistency. Alright, next I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. This matches my skin tone perfectly right now. I'm just going to apply it with a beauty blender and make sure I'm blending it all out. We're just doing a nice even layer to even out my skin tone. Nothing too crazy since this is an everyday look. I don't want it to be too heavy. Alright, next I'm going to conceal and highlight with my Morphe concealer. This product's pretty new to me. I absolutely love it though. It's just thick enough, just heavy enough to be really full coverage, but it's also very blendable. I'll also link down below all the products that I use and the shades that I'm in case you guys are interested in trying them out. But I'm just going to put this on my T-zone, underneath my eyes, and make sure I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. Alright, next I'm going with my RCMA Original No Color Powder. This stuff's absolutely amazing. I've had it for like 2 years and I've barely made a dent in the bottle. The product just lasts so long and it makes your concealer look so nice. So we're putting this anywhere that we put concealer and just letting that lightly bake while we contour the rest of our face. Alright, and then to contour, I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder in the darker color, and I'm just going to put this on my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, underneath my bottom lip to contour, and then my nose. Okay, now we're going to blend all that out with a flat foundation brush. My biggest tip is to blend upward when you're blending out the contour of your cheeks. It really gives you that sharp line and it makes it look so natural. I found that this technique stays so much longer than just bronzing or contouring with a powder. I absolutely love this. I just started doing it a few months ago and I cannot stop. Like, it just looks so natural and effortless, and it stays for so long after you set it. Alright, now we're going to buff away all that translucent powder and any product left on the brush. I'm just going to lightly set my face with it. I don't want it to look too matte, but also just to set that cream contour. Now I'm going in with my Milani bronzer. This is just to warm up my face a little bit and set any of the places that I just put that cream contour. Okay, next is blush, and I'm just going in with this NYX palette and using those first two colors. I really never used to use blush until maybe like 2 years ago, and girl, did it change my makeup. Okay, y'all, this is a new product that I just picked up. It's this Revolutions liquid highlighter in the color Champagne, and oh my goodness, does this look so beautiful. It doesn't even make you look like you're wearing highlighter. It looks like your skin is dewy, moisturized, fresh. I've never loved a highlighter so much in my entire life. This stuff just looks so natural. It doesn't look like you have glitter on your face or anything. I absolutely love it. And a little bit goes a long way too. So you really don't have to use much. All right, next I'm doing my eyebrows, and I did these off camera, but I'm just using this Milani pod and the brush that it came with. And I'm just gonna moisturize my lips because I felt a little crusty. Now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm just gonna use that nice warm color just to buff into my crease and start to warm it up just a little bit.
Look at you.
I missed you. Wow.
You look so pretty.
All right, now we're just gonna use this flat eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go in with this really nice highlighted champagne color, and we're just gonna put these on the lids just to lighten them up a little bit so that when we do that eyeliner, it stands out just a little bit more. So now I'm gonna deepen up the crease just a little bit. I'm gonna use that dark brown color right above the black, and I'm just gonna buff this out on the back of my hand so there's not so much product, because with this brush I find that tapping it doesn't really release that much product because it is a very good brush. So yeah, I'm just wiping it on the back of my hand, and then it's a lot easier to blend. I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that I used. I'm just gonna blend everything out really, really nice. All right, so now for the eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with an angled eyeliner brush and use that deep brown color right there. I'm just gonna go up from the corner of my eye, going straight up, and I'm just gonna use my finger to kind of smudge it out a little bit. Then I go about halfway down the line and connect it back to my lash line. I'm just gonna fill in that little triangle there. You don't need to worry about this being too perfect. I think the more smudged it looks, the more natural it looks, and it's really gonna make your eyelashes look really full. I'm just filling in my lash line. Again, the smudge look is what I'm going for here, so you don't have to worry about it being too perfect. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, because if your girl doesn't curl her lashes, they literally stick straight out. And then we're just gonna put a generous amount of mascara on to really thicken them up. And you can see already that that eyeliner really complements the outer corner. It just makes it look really full and wispy, and I love the way that this looks. And if you want to clean up that line a little bit, just use a really small concealer brush with a little bit of foundation or concealer and just dab right underneath it and blend it out. So moving on to lips, I'm gonna line my lips with this Wet n Wild lip liner. This is my go-to, but I'm just slightly outlining them, nothing too crazy. Next, I'm using this really natural pinky lip gloss from Revlon. This stuff is so moisturizing and it doesn't feel sticky at all. I wear this every single day and it's so moisturizing. All right, guys, and this is the finished look.
Yeah, and that's basically it. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, support my channel, love on your girl. I love you guys.